So we just check in. Travel light, kulang pa, sobra pa eh. Dapat mga 3 baggages pa. Pero we decided to travel light because most of the time go bungee jumping, skydiving, and of course the food, no? It's all about the food, the culture, and people. Alam mo, parati ako bumabiyahe pero yung gate to parating mystery sa akin yan eh. So I asked a captain a while ago, sabi niya diretso kaliwa daw. Yung diretso kaliwa is, it's either diretso kaliwa ko o kaliwa niya. I guess there's only one way to find out, to ask. You wanna say hello to your friends? Sayang, papakilala sana ako. Kaya na yung bigote ko, tinanggal ko eh. Kamote. Astig yung sound sila, oh. Parang Cafe Del Mar, Hotel Costes.
Fasten your seatbelt securely. Ladies and gentlemen, ensure your children have their seatbelts securely fastened, even when asleep.
I have to fill this up.
Now when this happens, it
to say you played your part so well, a modern Romeo. You came on Cupid's wings, and then you flew away. You touched my face when you called my name. I burned with desire.
Puro ABC dito eh. Nung grade school ako, absent ako sa nursery rhyme sa alphabet soup. Kaya yung imbes na G5 puntahan ko, napunta ko sa C5. Buti na lang, yung ibang kasama namin, marunong.
You touched my face so beautiful when you called my name. I burned with desire, but you left me.
Trip from the airport to our hotel, which is Equatorial Hotel, is around 45 minutes. So para ka nang pumunta ng Alabang from Libis. And the good thing about it, the hotel has a chill out lounge. Sa wakas, ito yung totoong roti. Taga ako nang hinahanap to eh. Yeah, have a look at it.
I burned with desire.
Ibang klase yung roti dito, tsaka yung lamb. Yung anghit talagang matindi. Amoy pa lang, malalasahan mo na.
You left me.
So, bitin ako sa roti tsaka sa lamb eh. So, I ordered one more. Ito, before I retire tonight, this will make me sleep like a baby. And next week, I'm having a party at the tower. So, see, that's the tower. So if friends can get this message, you're all invited, no? Come as you are.
Tilawan ng kape na?
Baka ito yung makatulog.
Amo ng kape nga ko.
Dito lang, tungatan, no? Tilawan ka.
Amo ng kape nila nga may condense.
Condensed milk. Excuse me. Can we try the coffee they ordered? Is that coffee?
What is that?
Coffee? Is it good? We'll try one.
One coffee, one.
Tingnan natin kung unang tulugan to. Delikado to. Mukhang may kamandag ng ano eh. Malaysian eh.
Dali ka doon. Kasi bugtaw
Eh, kung ngayon ka na mag-Malaysian, lubos-lubosin mo na. Kape, isaw, pusa, kasama nga, di ba?
Pati pusa.
Pati pusa kasama. Eh di,